So my people, me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm not lie. Some of them something I'm gonna share, you don't want to miss it. For one, Vybz Kartel and him British slash Turkish woman or love or fiance is no more. You don't believe me? Cause remember nobody no come public and say nothing, you know. But February gone, and no marriage no go on. Wanna think about that. Also, me I go show you something where I go solidify what me I say. You see me soon show you so here we go on, just stick and stay. Right? We also have Dana RT boss link up and them a chat about all the RT boss enemy. Maybe a few of RT boss enemies, and me want to ask you a question. Do you guys think that RT boss is just a messed up person, or him just a put on a show for social media? Because enough of the people them what him and them in the deal, and him have something for them, and him not stop until him get them. Him used to give them things. You see me I say, someone want to tell me if it's a character RT boss I put on, or that person where him a show to the world is him whole art him that. See, so now I go hear where him and Dan I talk about. Me don't know if I can name out everything we have for share with you, but we also have blame them. See, cause here we go on with blame them and all my people. Blame them I defend himself, because what go on with him and Pretti Dan, him a make it, him a try to show for him side, say, yo, Pretti Dan I try a thing against him. You understand? Pretti Dan they a try line him up. Pretti Dan show for your proof, say, Nicki Minaj forward and I try to get she to drop whatever she have against blame them. So it's a bag of mix up, you know what I mean? But we are going to get in at my people, and I'm going to give my opinion on the situation. We also have something else with blame them, but I can't remember. Blame them on some girl and say, we have it. You see me? We have more things about blame them, but we are gonna get in it. If me remember before me done the intro, me make on know. Saying we also have Miss Triple people. I apologize for the situation with she and Joshua. You know what I mean? Because she get a lot of backlash. You understand? I Miss Triple them image, a squeaky clean image, a respectful image. So what she do, it threw a lot of people off. So right now she clean up her thing, and you know what I mean, make the public know whatever. You understand? So I'm gonna share that with you now. I want to tell me what to think. See? We also have Shibada, you know, my people, because Shibada Rush. You see me? Rush RT boss, wicked. I'm going to share that with you. But deep down, I think Shibada and RT are friends, even though Shibada beat him. You see me? So, Squash, you know, my people, it look like the Squash gets sent back a yard. You understand? Because them hold on upon him. And I think them did free him up because him never know he was no longer in the system. I don't know if I send him go somewhere else, why them take him out of the system. But right now, him in at the ice, and you understand? And the mugshot when I see my people, him look worried in at the mugshot. It sure in him face say, yo, it's a possibility. It's a strong possibility he might get sent home. You understand me? And boy, my people, if you listen him song them, you're gonna say, boy, this man him live him life a certain type of way, so whatever I come to him, I go come to him. You understand? But my people, me no feel like say Squash I go itch up in a one little house down at St. James and can't yet Squash now go down at St. James. We feel like him go get an apartment in a Kingston, do music same way, him just can't go back America certain way. If them send him back home, because we hear say him now have no status at all in America. And you see some of the time the friends them where you keep, you don't know who I line you up. You see what I say? Because them say the feds did watch him and them see him receive a GLOCK, that is a machine, and it have the potato chips on it, if you don't know what I mean. You understand? It have a switch on it where it's illegal. You know what I mean? That's one of the wickedest things you could have on your machine. You see me? So that they are straight feds are gonna come down upon you and send you back to your yard. You know what I mean? If you can't prove your case. But as me say, him have a lot of people up around him, you know who might have fight what and decide if you put him under the bus because him are the man. You see me, so people, we're gonna just kick off everything and get E-Night right now. Maybe add a few more things as we go along, but we have a lot. We have a full show, my people, so make we get E-Night.
Child in there. And
know what
maybe
you
if
do
she thinks
before you
that
come
she
out
could
on internet
get
and
her
cause
visa to
problem.
come to US to see her, maybe she would.
For the life, yeah.
What a wicked papa. What a wicked dada, eh? With that being said, you know, see prayer with mommy done vent already, you know, I don't think you're supposed to have to say nothing more and show people nothing. Everybody's supposed to see what go on and can read between the lines now.
They left mommy in all of this bros. Biscuit believe me bro, they left mommy in all of this bros kid. Believe me, mommy and herself bros kid. Me mommy in that. So me know I tell mommy feel dumb in herself, isn't it? Me mommy that can see stressing his father. Can see frustrating in a woman's face that.
You can hear the pain in a mommy voice, bro. That me I tell you about, so you know when a parent love them child, bro. Cause you know hear no remorse in a father voice, no time, brother. No time, this man no remorse, no sorry for nothing, bro. Bumbo my dog. Brawling, you tell you, brawling, bro. See them, I tell you, brawling, him come see your mommy come to the brawling.
If you lower everything alone and broski, bro, man of a sticky side of mommy that. So what mommy say? She just wake up. I didn't time mommy wake up with you. Just wake up. I say she hear them bring me dog. I say she take it phone same time. And mommy now Wi-Fi in her house. Mommy go outside and roll on the corner. I say, mommy, do wake up and go round the corner where Wi-Fi there. They say, defend me, father, broski. So that me I tell her my bro. You see me, I say, me defend mommy, bro. So that I need mommy and we, bro. So like it's a mother, bro. You must say a mother is a mother in a bro. But you have to respect mother in a bro, regardless of nothing, bro.
What me tell you say for earlier, bro. For me see how them a disrespect the man, mother, me tell you say them have no love for the youth. I me not tell you that for earlier, me tell you so, bro. For your youth can dead, you can come out on the style and disrespect your baby mother, bro. You know nobody, bro. You never love your youth, bro. From man, you never love the youth, bro. Oh God, so fucking Saturday for me that every day I talk big bad and brave and you know do nothing for your son. Nothing. But you depend on me that itch up in every box where you can itch up in just to try to bring down somebody.
And the worst thing, bro, the people of the media itself, bro, are use him for clout and not even know, bro. You see me I say?
Bro, what you do now, brother? I put mommy on a post-paid plan, bro.
Yeah.
Put mommy on a post-paid plan, bro. Can pay for it every month, bro.
Definitely, bro, scheme. I do that ASAP, bro.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Mommy have internet all the time, bro.
True, man, because mommy have to go out there to get internet, man, isn't it?
Yeah, dog.
You know, I don't know how hard it would be to, you know, to potentially get Renaya into the school that Gwen went to. But I see people in the chat saying, you know, Jamaicans don't put their children in a boarding school. However, a whole lot of them leave them with family members and go overseas to go to work. So putting a child someplace where they were in a better situation is not, you know, is not a bad thing. And the school that Gwen went to, they pay for all of her medical. They paid for all of her health care. When she graduated from high school, she had $90,000 worth of college scholarships given to her. And you know, it is a really good place to go. And, you know, if she, you know, if it's possible for her to, you know, to get in there, and it may also get Regina a chance to get her, get herself over here where maybe she might try to do something better with her life too, because she is young. And I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to completely bash her, because it is a very difficult, I mean, I had my son when I was 17 years old. I know what it is like trying to raise a child when you are, when you are trying to just get yourself into adult life. I understand that. And I understand that she is seeing it as, like I see people in the chat saying they're not going to do that because she sees that child as, as an asset to herself. But, she doesn't have to be away from her. She can see her every weekend. She can do a lot of things. And, sometimes as a parent, you just have to have somebody who actually wants to help you, figure out the right path. And, but honestly, from what I am seeing right now, she does not understand how to parent. She does not understand how to parent at all. She doesn't even know how to parent herself. And people keep saying only high schools, but we have one here that starts at the age of 4 years old, and it does take international students. We had one of my daughter's best friends was from Africa, so I know that they do that. So it's just it stresses me as a person who has raised 2 children to adulthood, and and has grandchildren, to listen.
All right, my people. So look on this now. The only person on CPR good when it comes to Naya, like in family overall, is the mother. Just Naya mother. So me just want to say this. Naya mother, have confidence in a CPR. She believe in a CPR. So me just tell CPR, say don't let her down. You see me, if you go take the money or take any money, just take a look at thing out of it, because you do the work. So I know nothing if you take a look at thing out of it for yourself. But when you say you're going to, please do it, my G. You know why I say that? Because everybody else has said, boy, him take the money for himself, and him just come in for the scrape and cut. Right? The baby mother and him used to close. No, them no deal because of the money. Because the baby mother want the money, and him not really give her the money. The father, it look like say the same thing. The money and the handling of the money make him and think they no good. Right? CPR lack the money. And you see, if CPR lack that money for the youth, me respect him, me rate him. You know what I mean? Because you're not going to find a lot of people and look out for somebody, youth, after them drop out, like, oh, me see him do it, and him and Naya never did a friend for too long, like that. You understand? Him just know Naya was there, and them hit off a friendship, and him decides if he step in and do what him do. So if him do it genuine and wholeheartedly for the youth, me respect him for that. You see me I say? But the people them, like the family, father, and the mother, you understand? Me feel like them for ease up off a CPR, Do what them can do for the youth and allow CPR to do what him a go do. You understand? Because I know CPR have to do everything. The mother have to take up for your responsibility as well. And CPR go do what him can do. You understand? Because the couple million where him get, I don't know, whole heap of money like one time. We could watch some more people and then we move on to the next.
Listen to what his mother is having to go on here and defend nonstop. She should not. She should be able to focus her attention on taking care of what she needs to take care of for the funeral. And, you know, and she shouldn't have to, this is 2 days in a row now, I've had to hear her come out and speak out on something that she shouldn't even have to speak out on.
I'm saying 180,000 for that Valentine. So reality, 180,000 out of the 500,000 is nothing for Renaya. She said she keeping up a party and a party for Renaya as is she keep a Valentine party and it can make her money and so she can use it and flip it so Renaya can get her money and that's why I will give her the blood clot money. We give her 180,000 one time every time there. We did a vacation with BBG, a country me every time when we send the money. Country me every time the Valentine's party. And when me know say it's serious, I will become so bam, the next week after the party, she asked for 15,000 for going grocery. So after $15,000 for the grocery. And then my time will be like, so the fuck party keep last week. And this week you're asking for grocery money. So no money at all I make? No money at all I make?
You shouldn't even give her no money if you keep no party, bro. You shouldn't even give her no money if you keep no party,
that's
bro.
my fault, bro.
At that now you see, the handout where you give them feel like them have access to things and that's why them not stop, bro.
But
that's why them not stop.
You must say anything.
But from the moment you start give them, bro, them feel like so always whenever them call upon you, them feel always a get. And the moment they not get, I guess they bring down a come, bro.
And that one, bro, because from mommy start telling me, say CPR, that we are do a foolish, you know, and this and that, you know, and then we start reason, oh no, Shani, I say, Shani, and people roll me, I be like, CPR, you fucking idiot. I saw them start reason, so that make me, bro, and that make me even not give her the security money as yet. The clothes, the same clothes, where, oh, me fucking, me just remember one.
Can me give her 100 grand live cash, we give her 50 grand live cash 2 times. First time meet her Spain a Bashko. She didn't want to lie to. You see me I say and give her, right? Me have the video for that. And the next time I driver, me and driver go to Spain and give her, she don't want to come at Olava, I couldn't go at Olava. At the time I she come pick up. You get me I say. Other than that, I transfer them. And each time son say, yo, go lodge this, vice lodge this, vice lodge that. You get me?
Alright, what you gonna see 45,000, yeah? See the money, yeah? She send me this, have in mind, said this she send me, she send Naya mother this too. So Naya mother did tell me, say, CPR, you know, for buy no clothes because she don't send me a list of clothes where my people ma buy and them are coming before the same funeral. This is the same clothes. So have in mind, say, she has sent everybody the list, yeah, say, Arena funeral clothes and then she just collect all of the money and know say, mommy, I bring the clothes same way. Cause this, see then watch it go on, chat, watch it go on. And someone knows scamming there, watch the scamming now, you know. $13, $11, $6. Watch the balance now, watch the balance. 66, so $266. So when this and that is the rich fast lag good, this no rich fast lag good. So the balance is 266. Why not that so? Why not that so? Deal go, Mr. Aaron joke no chat. Why not that so? Deal go and some other things. Dancing pole. Why is not that feet raised up to 26? We start run joke chat. I remember saying me a comedian no, I run joke with the Twitter chat. A dancing blood clot pole, not that to do a rose. I must rose in night chat. What you going on? See the chat, you know. 13 level and $6. So the fuck they add up to 3 days, almost 3 days. What is me not see? What else we not seeing? What?
What enough funeral clothes them there, bro?
No.
All the baby say no. We don't talk fast. We don't talk fast.
God no dog.
Wait, let me see me.
God no dog. Only more item the pan that the thing there, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna see it. Movement, the CPI chair of boards. Look for a big bumbo club management, so she was spending much thousands on a suit for the baby. Real classic. Uptown $1 million suit, father. And you go tell me boy you walk Bombarders buy Bombarders baby clothes for 45,000 for Sheens. Which I don't send the list to mummy and mummy people my buy the list. So where send me the list to? Where send me the list to? And then if I can send me the list to, I start want to send other people the list to. So if I make money off of the list, I don't say, alright, mommy, I buy the clothes them, you know. So what you want, I'm just go and send me the list, and I'll be like, I want to go to funeral. I want to go to funeral. I want to go to funeral. Ral. Phil. And I sell it all. That's going to be a 45,000. Be a 40. I don't say you have a problem with you. You don't say you have a problem with 45,000. She was probably 45,000 in the chat. She was probably 45,000. Now watch the chat. 45,000 for the Sheens close them. 45,000 for the cheese security them. And 45,000 for the school fee. Tell me now. Tell me say I am man until I say 45. She need 45. We need to comment 45 when you see her. Chat. I don't joke thing. 45 for the Sheens close them. 45 for the security. Me no power with more than 2 policemen. Me no power with more than 2 police. So the fuck you power with 3? Listen to me now. 45 and then it's 45 for the school fee. Chat, can I hear 45? Amen. Can I get a 45 piece and then give it chat? 45? 45. 45. Everything. Happy 45. Blood clot.
But what on the CPR? What you say about security with you? What you want security to do?
She said she been threatened. And the worst thing though, the reason I'm ability.
Hold on. Before you say
Hold on, Shane. Because you're a man of Shane. You're my brother. And brother say, you're missing up to you. Because you're trying to say you're eating. Watch you go on. Let me clear for myself, my brother. Because brother say you're styling, you're not styling to you, my brother. Watch you go on.
Yeah, that's the best style.
Listen to me. No, bro. You get
chopped, brother. You get chopped, brawling chop. You get, brother, like your nasty say, you get chopped right through.
No, but what you want, father? Chew me and say, what you going on? She have a style, bro. She itch up in all of the boxes. All of the people might say justice for justice, and they might call up name.
Like, as she knows, I'm pretty than a friend. I swear to God, I've me there for. They hear me tell pretty, I'm pretty than some mug up in your life, bro. 2 minutes there. Yeah, man. Oh, Nicki Minaj do me long time. On. A long time. That's the thing come like the show say Nicki Minaj text him long time. They try proof fine.
That 4 years.
Don't hear about the woman now. How they that try prove a pint. The war of a woman. Don't hear about that 2 face. Cause when they hear war of a woman, a show say human text up on Instagram long time from 2021.
Yes.
The war of a woman.
Then know the bump up 4 years ago, Nicki Fala. She 5th columnist.
People, when it comes to Pretty Dan want to tell me what to think, because just the other day Pretty Dan come and Pretty Dan a ball and I say this and I say that and say, boy, she a go take it up to the law and this and that. Seeing now Pretty Dan come and Pretty Dan a this everything. Seeing, me no know if you don't see it yet, but the fix, me not lie, them are going good for this year from them end pan a eye last year and them continue this year. Them are getting all of the exclusive them. A big interview me see them do right now. Them have one up with Pretty Dan and Pretty Dan are this everything. Seeing, so and Nicki Minaj get this. So yeah, tell me say you was in whatever because you feel like say people are gonna do your things and whatever, and no, you're big bad and brave. Come on, Pretty Dan, if I saw you gonna move, people not gonna believe you. You see me I say? People not gonna sympathize with you. Because what the did I say, boy, you hooch up and cooch up and you know what I mean? But no, you're big bad and brave. People make me know what to think. We'll watch some more.
She easy to
say. You have a woman for him and the war of a woman, then know him a cuss you, man. You're too bomber clad bandwagon is dog shit. A bandwagon is that bomber clad.
What I mean I understand is the whole of last week she was so silent, so why all of a sudden now she want to come back and bring up back the same? She see her on live with Nicki. She see her on live with Nicki.
All of a sudden when me dey on live with Nicki, she come out now.
Yeah, that's fine.
Me glad only see a bad mind.
Bad mind. Yeah, bad mind.
On the live. She said yes, to blame them. Remember the thing when me talk about? You know, I'm do something about you said to her, she call me.
Remember everything.
And she said, we talk now.
Put it down to come down now.
Talk now, make one person talk now, the people them here, they talk, they go come down at 4:30 when me there. I wait to catch you live. Pretty Dan said to blame them, say, blame them. You know, I could do the thing, bro, and blame them so again. I'm just so we can't talk on the live. And blam them foota. And she said, me I go call you and tell you. And she call blam them and tell him. So she got check.
Everybody from where you talk to the talk.
The girl Nikki send him, the girl Nikki. Last week Nikki a queen, I know. This week Nikki a the girl. And Nikki mad yo. Last week I said Nikki I'm a queen, big up my queen, and Spice I'm a queen. And now this week you call woman girl. You is a wicked hermaphrodite. That's why God gave pussy and body. That's why God gave blood clot one. Is a wicked girl. You dirty pretty than you have pussy and cocky and can't reach America. Me I bring her down, she for move her blood clot, she bad mind. And Nikki kinds of mother, Nikki this, Nikki that, Nikki that. Last week you beat blam them for turn himself in. Now you gone from blood clot, Nikki.
Me that one cuss now.
Yes.
Yes, Entertainment. Last week he must have been turning himself and in traumatized. Now he come on live and cuss me. Yes, say girl a liar. I bet that's when he say when I do no workout, he come here and he come cuss me. Say bet.
Yeah, she turn pan Nikki and start call her. The girl, you know.
He say when I do no work. That's just in turn pan the woman now. I feel like I say a woman he want to bring down now.
So when the girl, when Nicki Minaj, you call her girl, the queen of rap, you call girl. You know, she say, you know, no respect. I give the woman a girl, you and say to you, say, you want to make with Sir Popcorn, you want to make two man, and that's mean to me, no, so you're going to make two woman come and joke.
Bro, a wicked girl, wicked, bro. A wicked girl, I try to set up the lady, bro.
Wicked. I look at Irma for that dirty girl. Pretty than have both gender. That's why God girl cocky and pussy, because God knows she are wicked. And she now make you sight to America. Every day they pan blame them. Turn itself in. I go to police station. I want help with blame them picture. And now you're going for Nicki Minaj. Yes, she have both.
Me glad I don't see it.
Now she gone for Nicki and she call blame them and ask me if him now but I do the something. You need to listen. You need to just roll and follow pretty than. And money pretty than I look. Money. Nicki Minaj money but she want to cook for Nicki Minaj. What do you want to cook for the woman now you call her girl? You're fifth color miss. You.
Bro, Paisy man. Where they man tell the woman boy mother do catering. Man in thinking pussy
yes,
woman.
And I say she
Nicki Minaj, my mom do catering. So Paisy they want Paisy woman. You bum buckler.
But remember when you said
the man man tell the woman boy mother do catering.
Oh, they should work with the man.
Hey. You man, I must that you want, but other thing want to be true.
Nicki Minaj food, cause she want.
But boy, mother do catering. Where they may say, mama do catering, now I bring down you man.
And that's same like the she say, oh, if me cook for you, Nikki, if me cook give you, not want stop eat my food. Now you call woman girl. You not have no respect. The woman give couple gift what you say are your queen. It no long me know Nicki Minaj a number one I kill you and blame them I kill you. And you call Jayden fatherless. Jayden I kill you and blame them. Cause them a make money pan the upper you now make so much money. She's a bad-minded hermaphrodite. Cocky and pussy you have, you know, want to make you sight to America. You depend blame them, then you come off, you gone for Nikki. Every day she gone for Nikki. No, Nikki. This week a Nikki, last week I blame them. You confused. You just a chat so. Yeah, all of a sudden she attack, but Popcorn, Sir Popcorn good. You have to big him up because he rushed me and he never hurt me. Blame them to hurt you. Popcorn with a more traumatized because it's easy for reach here Jamaica than foreign. Say that more, yeah. Popcorn them could have dashed you in the river. You depend. You have to give Popcorn respect. And yeah, bring down Nicki Minaj and Nicki Minaj bigger than Popcorn. Stop calling them.
Bro, you know say Nicki Minaj like her, bro. I swear to God as me there so. Nicki Minaj like the woman, you know, bro. And she mash up her thing, you know, things so she'll get something, you know.
Bad mind, she bad mind.
She a two-faced, bro. I mean, gold digger, she a two-faced, bro. Alright, support me add K and me come here cuss you and then K stay and the laugh. What you say?
Me still a go away.
No, but K go stay when me a cuss you. Me a hypocrite, you know.
Me know that's why me a go run.
No run, stay man.
No, me a go run.
No run.
You know, ask them how long me tell them say, you send me one request and then me say me that do something. But true me say,
stay with me, man. You know, you want a nice girl.
Alright, my people, I want to say this. I don't want to sound mess up still, you know. But here we go on. You see, enough woman, you see when them and a man left, them bring down the man in the wickedest way. Them choose which way to bring down the man. Them choose which way I go work. Them study everything and them say, yo, me I go the sympathy way. That way they go work, people are go dislike him. Or some of them say, you know, me I go the disrespect way, people are gonna laugh after him and I go like him. See, so these women know how to manipulate things to go their way. Denier is a youth where him have a type of character on the internet where him no confrontational and him no disrespectful. You understand? He's a cool, humble youth. He may have a bag of girl, yes. But the kind of character where she paint him in a, we don't see that character there. Not saying that a man can't be certain type of way behind the scene, you know. Seeing? So, maybe he might do what he can do for the youth them. But because Rochelle want bring him down, she a go paint a different picture. Me nah say she a tell lies still, you know. Me dey on the fence right here, so. Me no dey on nobody's side, but me just a say. You understand? But me want to tell me one thing. I want to listen to the reasoning where Blam them having right now with Rochelle. Because he might go say some good things about Denier. And while he must say that, she feels some type of way. You understand? So that means him not say nothing good about Denier. You understand? Or maybe when I say about Denier and she knows say a lie, she not going to tolerate it. So that's why she take away herself. So only listen good people. Make we go in back and listen and watch some more.
And Denier, I'm my friend. Where they me heal him up, you know.
Yeah, this you say you're a hypocrite and you just say it, so you play.
No man, Denier, Denier a good youth, bro. Denier take care of youth them. Them man they take care of them youth. Them man they a good youth.
Me play one more.
Play one more, man. Denier them a good youth. Denier a real youth. Me rate Denier, you know.
That's my.
Call him and me chat to him. When there. Me rate the dog, man. The dog get a yard from when, you know. That man the dog get a yard from when. Me rate the dog, man. The dog a real youth. You see me? Then them man they kind and anything. Them man they take care of them youth. Them man they not careless. That me I tell you. Them man they a real youth. Oh. Until when me come out of life. What me I say is a real youth, man, you see me? Yeah, man, they are good youth, man. One Denier badness. So, how you gonna name that one there in your belly?
His name is Chosen.
Chosen, okay. You leave no man. Look, you look nice and brown and pretty. That means you get good take care of them, man.
You see, say until say you know when we got a problem in a John shop. Oh.
Me never know, dog. You're mad, man. Never know, dog. You're mad, man. You're not here good.
This is my son.
I know you may talk. Oh, me not see nothing.
You don't see him?
Our ultrasound.
Yes, I see.
I'm looking at belly. Show me where head there.
20 years what me have. No, you know no pitney, you never gonna ultrasound, you know no pitney?
No, me have 5 youth. But I want to see still.
5 pitney? 5 different baby mother?
No. 3 different baby mother. One have 2.
Oh, one have 2 for you. They say I tell lie, Blam.
They don't know nothing about me. They never see me yet. Or they don't tell you. Or they don't know if I lie or true. They don't know me. Yeah, every day they come with one new picture and one new name. See me? I know they can't catch me. They believe that.
Can't catch you.
Then if when them a show I did show, then they don't catch me. Then they would catch me.
Yeah, me clean up with blessing.
But you know, since I can't lick and careless. Why can't love by? Why can't love by hood? Can't talk by hood. Me say 6 times now she are married. I 12 times. Why she love married so? A paper she love give so our man them a go. But why she? But then if she no, then if she don't know say she lucky with married, why she are married and she know she not lucky? She not fit to do that. You know you're not lucky with married, you still are married. That's not nice. That's not nice. If me know me not lucky for something, me not do it. Me know me not lucky for something, me not do it. You don't know some people just careless. I don't know why them people are so careless, yeah, man. Boy, rough. Then I whole heap of careless people up on TikTok still now. Whole heap of them.
Guys, see me clean out the picture of them when we go yesterday.
Then check how you can marry okay.
Blam!
Eh?
You like me with that outfit?
Tell K if you do that, and beat you.
Jesus, Father God, if you don't take a video, me say you know me not having a look on the app. You know see everybody make a video and bring me down. You know me not having a look. I still
but they bring me down to how me not come down. Yes, they don't
come down.
They never tell say people word that win, bro. When people say nothing about you, don't run with it.
Yeah,
don't watch them. Eh? I didn't hear a call if you come off iPhone with me. Then when people talk word that win, bro. If so much then talk about me, I'm gonna watch them.
No, this is the people want so they have to talk about.
Now watch what they say, boy. Remember say you're a star, you know, mama. Remember say you pick them nice. And for them pitting nice, so they go always not like it.
No, don't say that. You run pitney joke too, not do that.
I not pitney joke we are run.
Everybody
me not say nothing about pitney, me just she careless. Me never say nothing about her pitney. A she careless, not to pitney them. Children are innocent, not. Children are innocent.
Guys, me I beg gonna push up his score, so we gonna finish showing you picture them after the game, yeah.
Then mama like you can't wait for this man. Paper snipe. Shoot me paper, cause you can't them people there win me. No, shoot paper, shoot. Snipe,
Guys,
snipe. Shoot paper, snipe.
Guys, snipe.
Shoot, snipe, shite.
Guys,
shoot.
Snipe,
People
no?
shoot them and don't make me lose. Shoot.
Snipe, shot, snipe.
Snipe, shoot.
Snipe, no?
No, don't make me lose.
Snipe.
Boy, I mean, I'm blame them, you know, man. I mean,
you name so I want blame them, yeah.
I want president.
Lovely.
But me, I tell you, don't make you scared. Big up yourself, very scared.
Yeah.
You can't tame them like all they know skill.
Zola goes. Middle class, Desiree. Desiree variety, but me eat like my topic. Like, Desiree middle class, yo. I'm after class before the live done. Yeah, back to the class to the internet. And what I just said before, I get the phone time. I hope you remember because you tell me come back, and you know come back to me cannot but not RT, yeah. So bass. You see, you don't always make these unintelligent persons that use them head. You know, say you can't get up and go to sue somebody. You can't just get up and go sue them and them don't know where you sue them for. But it's when you got called Owen, it makes sense. When the judge tests RT come with your papers. Number one, you come and tell the internet say you're dead. Number two, you tell the internet say you're there jail. He's a madman. He's a madman. He's a madman. He's a madman in a clean clothes. He's a foreign madman. Yeah. You and Miss Blinga plan up and rob the internet. Remember what have you? When 3 years the person you mix up. The person you remember.
Alright my people, you see like how I pause the video here, so we are going to chip out the Shibada RT bar situation and drop back it after me share this with Uno. So this is the reason why me say Vybz Kartel and him woman left and them now get back together. It seems like say this woman was with Vybz Kartel for a reason, but the reason was not love. You understand? I'm going to explain why to you. I'm going to show you that picture. Look on that picture. I'm soon show you the video. I'm just showing you a picture from the video. Then me show you the video. Alright, so this is the picture you know from the video. And you can see big bowl Vybz Kartel like the video. Right? So now go hear what the video is all about. Maybe you already read and see whatever I want to see and feel like say what the caption there is what the video is all about. But when I go here, see now I'm going to break it down to you. So Vybz Kartel is an exceptional human being. I don't know if we use the word properly. I think I do. You know what I mean? Where deserve more than the normal man. You know what I mean? Some people would say, but everybody equal and should be treated equal. Right? It depends upon your class, your race, whatever, your bank account, whatever. But we have some people in high regards and we put them up. See, alright, when me see Vybz Kartel forward and with the woman, me I said, good move, you know what I mean? But be careful. That me I say in my brain. You understand? Because me know say the G kind of vulnerable coming from which part him a come from or being where he was vulnerable. So he would have fall for any little thing where look like love. You see me, I say, not saying this woman never come with love because me no know her. You see me? So, them a go on and them a go on. First, him jump out, I think the first, second week, and him have a outburst at the woman, seeing Pan Live with him lion, how much thousand of people I watch, right? And people maybe I look on Vybz Kartel and say, yo, this a man here, how if you do them thing here? People, if a person, enough people, get provoked, but wanna see like the respond, you know what I mean? Then me I say, yo, oh this, and him just jump out, and I love it the way should I go on. Oh, him and him woman kick off certain way. Me not blame none of them. You see me I say, I would say me I blame both of them. See? Then me I look on it and me I say, I wonder if that woman here like come in a Vybz Kartel life for Vybz Kartel. Then me I look on it and me I say, yo, oh, this a woman here push marriage so quick and so fast. Is it that she want lock down Vybz Kartel and want make sure say she stamp herself in the relationship so she can't move none at all? Or maybe she want have something for hold on pan, you know what I mean, where she can take him to court with her because him look sickly and he is sickly. If him drop out, she have something where she can say, alright, this is for me, that is for me, because remember this is one of the biggest artists right now, you know. Him have a lot of things that go on money wise, you know. Seeing, so me a pray and me a say, Jano, you know what I mean, him still a big man. I don't know, fool. If anything, him we see it. You know what I mean? Because people can't hide themselves for too long. Now, me I go play the video, you know, my people, and then me I go talk a little bit. But here I go on. These are just my opinions, right? When me I look pan and I see, and I say, boy, maybe I saw it go. You know what I mean? You can't have full opinion. Also, I can be wrong. This is just my opinion. You understand? So, check out the video now, my people.
So you're not married?
Nope.
Ever been?
Nope.
Want to be?
Nope.
Don't you want a woman of your own?
What for?
Share your name, bear your children, be a companion.
They asked me to quit drinking, quit gambling, save my money, and to bitch about her aches and pains all day? No, thanks.
Alright, so when you hear what the video say, alright, some people maybe I look on the video and what the video I say, you know what I mean, and I say, so you don't want somebody to take care of you and make sure say you not indulge too much in a certain things and really. No, some woman push marriage to control you, and when them can't control you, them divorce you because them know say there's something for them to get. What if this woman here, me just hypothetically speaking and playing devil's advocate, right? Boom. What if this woman here, remember Vybz Kartel have a lot of enemies. What if this woman used to link up with one of Vybz Kartel enemies them? Remember Vybz Kartel says she show up herself, she stalk him baby mother to get him attention. Seeing, be careful of woman will look you. Careful of them. Because you don't know them agenda, you don't know them plan. Me not say all of these things when me I say are the law and I saw it go. These are just my opinions. Right? Maybe Vybz Kartel now refer to the video in its full entirety. Right? And agree with everything what the video say. Maybe him just use the video there. And him like it because him want the world to know say, yo, you want this woman you not dead and him not married nobody soon. You see, marriage, my people, marriage is a effed up contract. Marriage is a effed up contract. May I tell you, if you don't have to marry, do not. In other case here with she, you know, she not really have to marry Vybz Kartel, you know. Any woman in this world would have want Vybz Kartel, and them no matter if a marriage make she have to left because it look like say boy because of the marriage thing make them no way right now we now see them together and whatever, and him like this saying same no want get married. What if she have her plans to marry him and then divorce him, or marry him and control him? Because marriage, it mostly go the woman way when a divorce is being done, my people. So you have to be careful. Somebody big like Vybz Kartel, you have to be careful who him a married. You know what I mean? Maybe him just when him a say boy him a go married February, maybe him just do it and I say it because she want that and she a push it. You know what I mean? She no want breed female. She want marry him first because that's tradition. She have a man before Vybz Kartel. She no married a man there, so why you push for married Vybz Kartel? Something in something, people. As we say, these are just my opinions. This is no law. You know what I mean? I can be wrong. Me just a speculator. See things that unfold and I speculate and I give my opinion. Tomorrow we can see them back together. A matter of fact, even this evening, today, tonight, whenever you get this video, we can see them back together. You understand? But me think say a woman will rush to marry a man have a plan. And the plan can be good and it can be bad. And if a woman left a man because the man not married to she, and it's less than a year since you guys been physically together, we don't count the time when you talk on phone because you can't get to know a person, so you get to know them to an extent. But them say see me and come live with me are two different things. So living together, a man like Vybz Kartel have been through too much woman. There has to be something special about you for him married you. You think say I'm gonna marry any woman just to keep her around? You have to show values. And any woman would have jump, almost any woman would have jump at the opportunity to be with Vybz Kartel without getting married to him. You saw me I say look how long the man and Shorty they together. And him no married her. Marriage is a effed up contract, especially for somebody who have a lot of money. Me not gonna say me not believe in a marriage in my people, because sometimes you find a person and you and them so together where I say yo, say me I go just marry that person, yeah. But some of the time you get married to a person and the relationship change. You understand? Some person become bossy and then with it. So me, I'm not against marriage, but you have to be careful who you're married to and what are the reasons that person want to marry to you. You understand me I say? So let me know the thing, people. Those are my opinion on why I don't think Vybz Kartel and that woman will be back together. If she, alright, may I show you something? You say if she love him naturally love him, she gonna be back to him. You know what I mean? She gonna come back to him, regardless of getting married or not, because them not fi get married for she come fi get stay in a Jamaica and fi be by him side. No, she can stay there as long as she want, not really as long as, maybe less than left, because the money is there. Left before the 6 month up, go somewhere else, come back in a Jamaica. She can do that for as long as she want. You know what I mean? It's not no big deal, the marriage thing. You understand what I say? And as me did I say before, she can link up with somebody where I'm enemy and decide to mess up him life in a whatever way them want to mess it up and push him to get married to her. Then she start with her foolishness, because it start already. Them not live good like that. You understand? Them not live good like that, because we see it. You see me? She have to understand, said, yo, this man is a different type of person. He's not a normal person. If a woman had a problem, woman will always be in his life. So you have to accept that and not make that worry you. You understand? So as we say, my people, me no know what really go on. The reason why she there with him, I would hope say boy I love and not nothing else. But you have to be careful, especially somebody will value so much and have a lot of people who don't like him. You have to really be careful and make sure say the person who are coming in your life is in your life for the right reason. Those are my opinion. Put your opinion in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. As me said, this is not the law. They might get back together as a video drop. So make we continue with the Shibada and RT boss thing.
Tit for tat. You did that. No, every single trauma, no one gave it to you. You brought it on yourself. What people are doing with your trauma? What person? Nobody never find you making money. Auntie boss, you know how me know you? Zola, thank you, my baby. You know how me know you, RT boss? You beg me for promote music for you because you can't get a bus. I'm gonna say take a taxi if you cannot get a bus. What money were you making? What money you lost? None of us know you have to be making money. You come here, tell all of us say you're rich. Rich out of what? Nothing. We never see our work yet. You do 9 to 5. You do 24 hours. We never see a whole gas station pump yet. Eh? Desi, thank you. Thank you, Baroclos Desireen. We never see her yet. Never yet. So what money? 3 years the lady do answer you for, and you're a troller and you weren't losing or making. So why has evidence come to the forefront now, Zola? Your trauma and you're a liar, pathological liar. You're a liar, boy. Me say, RT, me I wait for you, say, hurry up. Me don't know how I'm anxious, so it's like a sports day. Me I wait, go suck your mama. Go suck out your dirty mama. When World Dog did come and say, yeah, look him and him take your money, you couldn't you couldn't give with none of the backup singing. You couldn't Can't remember you that troll World Dog. Remember, you go like you know love boys, you love man like me. You love man like me when me and you see man your bottom go We're bottom yarn. You love man, dog shit. You love man, real bad. Me say me don't want to spice up all the whole of the money, you know. Oh, me don't want to spice take the whole of the money. Yeah, till that, but you know, Gracie isn't a citizen. You're up in the ladies' business. You're up in the lady business, you know. You talk every single thing about the lady, and the lady is yet to speak something about you. RT boss, me a class. Yeah. The lady is yet to say something. If me turn on my live and somebody send a request, it's the polite thing to do. It's the polite thing to do. Accept the request. Remember we're not savage. Remember we're not triple. Accept the request. Now the youth want to get pinpoint across. He wants some justice. I am traumatized. Remember, it's the little boy you took to bed. Is in traumatized. So oh yeah, use little boy is illness by yourself now, auntie, you wicked. Oh, we're gonna solve this. Who is the little boy when the court asks? Can the little boy come forth? When the little boy come forth, where you gonna say auntie is a lie? Ah yeah, pay the mother finna make the little boy come. The video did this, so we'll hunt him. The video did, we'll hunt him. So 6 hours after those other others, the little boy went backtrack now, but you and him that Grace have nothing to do with it. Hello? So make your case, RT boss. Come. So cocky. Come. So cool. Bomparella. Come. Come, dog shit, RT boss. It's surprising how me a class, yo. You never know me that class, yo, so. Yeah, man, and me you want to have all that control. Me not blinga. You could have never used me to get TikTok police. Me not blinga. Me is not blinga. You can't control me. Blinga, you can't control me. Me not blinga. Dirty man. So cocky man. Me not blinga. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, come on, go on. You know, long you try to look number one on the app. You can't even send yourself a number one. Look here how much money you have. Look here how you walk and give the people in on the app. Them treat you worse than how them treat Nicki Minaj. Them deal with you quick. Them wrap you up quick. Me see man and run you off of them live and all block you. Your torment. I wonder if you hope you bounce back in your face. Mr. Dan kill his fear accept you. Mr. Dan really not have nothing for do. Dan really kill his TikTok like that is it. Make Dan really accept you. Oh, so you mash up blinga. Look how life funny. Somebody come up and say you sex them and you take spice to court and you come up and you say you sex blinga. You see your life funny? You come up in and you say you grind blinga. You came on the live and say you sex blinga. And somebody come up and say you sex them and you don't want to own it. What wrong with your child? What wrong with you? He don't have the money there. He don't have our money. Him don't have our money, but you see, I don't want them settle this. I want Spice sue him, sue him for disturbing her. Honestly, and in all fairness, the man don't have a case because for 3 years in my memory, from 2020, he had trouble Spice up until early 2024. He had trouble the lady, and when the lady finally opened her mouth, it's a problem. Yeah, it's a problem, and everybody has to sit down and see it. Yeah, him traumatized the child. And him traumatized. Number one, Gracie has her career. We know this man has him have no career. Him a so Spicer. Life is very funny. You know, say this man don't have no career. What is this man known for? Nobody don't know this man for nothing. And him plague the lady's career and him plague her family life. Him plague her illness. Who should be traumatized? Who should be losing money? That man brought the lady case to the forefront and said she worked over and many persons in the industry. And he has no proof. He has no proof. There is no way in the statement that states Spice said, go and give Maca Diamond.
People want to tell me what they think about this situation with RT and Spice. Saying, for one hand me I look upon it, my people. I mean I say, say RT boss are one genius. The brother you are one genius, Then the next part me I look upon it. I mean I go say, the brother you F up bad, So, me don't know which one of them to put on him. You see me I say? Me, you know what me do? Me just say, everything when I watch on social media is entertainment. That is just what me say. Because if you really read into everything what you see on social media, some of it very confusing. You understand me? But me no feel like say RT boss for a drag Spice through what I do right now. You understand me I say? Because them a come from far and them part ways. Him get something out of it, she get something out of it. You know what I mean? If you feel believe in a Obi and them something there. So you can part ways. You have a lot of people who have them opinion on it. Me say I school you over there say, oh him fi say him a sue when him a big Obia man. Why him they use Obia? But people, different stroke for different folks. Let me know what you think. We'll listen a little bit more and then we move on to the next.
Big foot. Go and give ladies big head. Then come in a ladies but are you really trouble? Me see you baptized dog. The world mash up, you know sir.
Miss Triple, you know what hurt me more than anything else? You see that little youth here, Joshua, where you almost would have discouraged before you even reach nowhere in a TikTok? He's such a humble young man. So selfless. So down to earth and doing things normal, different from Eddie Adele's TikToker. But guess what? Miss Triple, you were ready to discourage this man and shut him down, make him all see TikTok and afraid of it. Because guess what? You know feel say everybody who start get a little trending on TikTok, them a come nyaming now no money. Little bit from this, them a go turn top ranker and knock on off of the podium and nyaming now the money. And you not go make no more money on TikTok again. Miss Triple, you no can't be so greedy. You no can't be so bad mind and corrupt. You no discourage all of the little young TikTokers them before them reach nowhere. I know like enough little young TikTokers couldn't reach far, you know. And enough how no rank and discourage them from early out. Small them up, disrespect them, make them feel like belittle them. Right now, you see if people never did come out and call out you, Miss Triple, this would have slide. And we never would have know if the youth would have take it nowhere. Such a humble little youth. We just bring joy to people. Everybody just love the youth energy. Him just down to earth and natural. Him no hype, him no show off. Him just humble. And them youth if you run it up. And them youth if you run it up. Right now, not uno. We're brawling and dirty and the mouth full of this and full of that. And them little youth if you run it up. At least them we spread positivity on the app and spread some normal old thing on the app and go on the most way and go on some type of way like uno. Miss Triple, your bad mind can't hide. We see it, the whole world see it, and you try to take it back. It goes to show. You don't know who to play with. Miss Triple, let me tell you something. See, in a year defense, because you come in a year defense, you don't know how. You realize when you tell Jayden, say you don't know how Jayden, how much time Jayden repeat it. Miss Triple, you don't know Joshua. Miss Triple, because Jayden cannot believe himself that you would have say you don't know the youth. A youth will been training on TikTok and uno live on TikTok every day, nothing no pass uno. So all me when I live on TikTok every day. And people know Joshua, but you don't know him. And you're a TikToker when you come off a TikTok. You see uno? Miss Triple, we find you out now. Come down now.
Hello guys, so in regards to the Joshua situation, I see a lot of you coming at me that I'm disrespectful. Some say because of my tone, some say because I say I didn't know him, and some say because I curse bad words, some say because I didn't want to play a match. No. He did not want to play a match. He said that multiple times. And I know you guys heard that. Right? So the people that are coming about that, I know you literally hate me. Number two, I honestly didn't know him before that night. I honestly never seen him before. I understand that he's popular. I understand that he's a nice person, but it's the first time I met him. I didn't mean it in any bad way. I didn't know him for real. I never know that you not knowing someone that could be disrespectful. And when I was cursing bad words, I was talking to Jayden, not him. And you guys know that, but you blame me for cursing it in his presence. I understand. Because I get to understand that he's a person that doesn't like bad words. I didn't know that. You understand? And that is something what I curse bad words every day. It's not directed to anybody. I just use it as an expression. I will never direct a bad word to anybody. It's like how people will say, fuck you or move your bum. No, I would just say, mirror splatter. What the fuck? Like, I say it as an expression. I don't direct it to someone. And in regards to my tone, yes, my tone was wrong. But what the screen recorder didn't post,
because they decided to be malicious that day. They cut off the first part when I was on the live with Jayden, and then Jayden added him and then jumped from the live. So I was so annoyed about that. That's why my tone sounded that way, and I told him to go and add him back, because I did want to cuss him, because he does it to me all the time, and you guys know this, and it burn me every time. Every time he do it to me, I cuss.
Alright, so people, tell me what you think about the apology. I know the video not done yet, but me just want to say, Miss Stripper here, you get a, you know what I mean, a pass. You see me, I say apology accepted. You understand? This is like something where not really happen when it comes to you. Whether you're fake or not, you portray a good character on the internet. And everybody deserves a second chance. You understand? Oh, everybody, I know say everybody now gonna forgive you still, but we Jamaicans, enough of we don't like give second chance. We like see downfall. We like to see people downfall. That me know for sure when it comes to Jamaicans. Only time them happy for your success and when them not have nothing to do with it and them can't stop it and it surprise them and it just boom and successful. You understand? That's the only time when people happy for your success, or when them get some it. So big up yourself, Miss Triple. You know what I mean? If you do it again, them are gonna beat you and them not gonna give you a second chance. So careful. So make watch some more people.
Every time. When you hear me say, you always put me in a batty hole, that is my talk. You always put me in a batty hole, meaning you add somebody, jump off as fun and joke, and then it two away are there like sitting ducks. I don't like it. When Joshua first came on the screen, I said, hi. My tone was not that. You can't. People are saying that I don't play with small rankers. That's a lie. I play with small rankers all the time. It's just that the screen recorders don't record that because they only park on my live when I'm playing Jayden or TikTok Boss or Rosealee. When I'm doing anything good, they cannot be found. Because a lot of people don't want me to be broadcasted in that light. However, it shines through. It doesn't matter. It has been years that people have been coming at me to trying to find a fault with me. I don't know why, because they think that I don't know. I'm too nice of a person and I'm pretending. But you guys haven't caught me slipping yet, and you never will. I treat people warmly all the time. My tone was directed to Jayden, not him. I would never dare disrespect Joshua, and I've never, it's not like he has ever done me something. People who do me something, I don't disrespect them. So how me I disrespect somebody that I don't know? If they had posted the first part of the screen recording, you would see why my tone of voice changed. With that being said, when persons in the comment section was telling me that him feel away, right then and there, I said, Jayden, add him back. Add him back. When I explained to him, say, it was not him I was talking to, it was you. It was not directed to him. And then he came in my life and said hi. And I said, Joshua, I am so sorry. My energy or what I said was not directed at you. I'm so sorry. And he said, no. I know you wasn't talking to me. I know you was talking to Jayden. I literally said Jayden's name when we start cuss. He came off because he didn't want to play a match, and I guess him never want to be a part of me cussing Jayden. But at Jayden me did a cuss. And this is something what me always do when them do it to me. You understand? I've never been a liar. I've never told you guys a lie on here. For you guys to think that I'm lying, that I didn't know him. And I honestly didn't mean any disrespect when I say I didn't know him. I honestly didn't meet him before the night, but I know him now. You understand? And some people are saying that is the way how him look make me know all up in him. Something like that. How does he look? He looks like a regular nice young man to me. You see the people that I play there, ever see me discriminate? Me play with TikTok boss all the while with the bleaching cream stuck on him face. How can I judge somebody and how they look? I never did that. And he wasn't small. From Jayden added him to the match. I saw that he had a huge following. It was just the first time I'm meeting him. I know you guys think I see him on the For You page. I never saw him before. That's the honest truth. I meant no disrespect by that. But at the end of the day, as long as he knows I wasn't being disrespectful towards him, that was a huge sigh of relief. When he came in my chat, I had a huge sigh of relief. Now, you guys that are trying to bring me down and pitch a tent, you know I said nothing. I uttered no disrespectful words out of my mouth to a person in my whole entire life. You have never heard about it. Look how much people hate me. And you have never come out and hear anybody say I am disrespectful. So you guys now joining to break me down. It will not break me. And I will not unsound them. I just go around and block. The only persons I don't block was the persons that are telling me that my tone was wrong, because it was wrong. But it was not directed at him. I was just annoyed with Jayden doing it all the time. But there are people on this app that make it a point of their duty to disrespect people every day, call people out them name, dig up people, and I don't see you guys coming out. But me that actually tries to do something, you come out against me because you wanted a reason to. You same people that are making videos, you always disrespect people in addition to many rankers. But I see no groups forming. But when it's triple, that's the huge problem. But try again. Try again. Wait another couple years for something else to tear me down, because this is not it. Because those who know me knows I am not a disrespectful person. And knows I've never uttered anything out of my mouth to disrespect someone directly. So you guys can continue with it. I don't have nothing to say more than when my son I try to bring me down, which if you notice is people who didn't like me from morning, people who never been on my life to see the type of person I am. Good is never recorded, and some of these recorders are just malicious, and I've learned to accept that.